I will be taking you guys with me to get an upgrade with my phone. They know people are not prepared, they don't come prepared, so they double the prices. Like, listen, I'm not playing with these people. I'm not about to go up in the store and spend 4 times the amount that I could spend on Amazon. Baby, no. Get somebody else to do it.
Like the Barbie, I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It's girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in riding with my twin and and we all look good stuff. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up.
Good morning, KK squad. It's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I will be taking you guys with me to get an upgrade with my phone, because in my last vlog you guys heard me complaining about, you know, quality, plus I'm having issues with space doing this whole content creating, YouTube, uploading videos. I am struggling to upload YouTube videos because of space issues on my phone. I want better quality, camera quality. I have this camera 5 years now, yes, and I said I wanted to upgrade my camera as well, but I'm gonna upgrade my phone and also use my phone to vlog, because I see a lot of vloggers, even the vloggers that I watch that has millions of subscribers. Guys, the sun just went in, so it just got like a little dark. Oh, now the sun is coming back out. Yeah, like I see a lot of YouTubers that I watch that has like millions of subscribers, like Perfect Laughs, Jazz, you know, a bunch of them. Like a lot of them use their phone to vlog. Why do I need to buy a new phone and a new camera, and I am not up there in the YouTube world as yet? I'll get there though, don't worry, I'll get there. I'm speaking it into existence. That's the main reason why I'm gonna upgrade my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got it 3 years ago, and now I want to upgrade to the 15 Pro Max. I'm in the parking lot of the store, so don't mind me. I'm just gonna take you guys along the journey with me. Usually when I go to purchase a phone, I'm never prepared. When I say I'm never prepared, I never have a phone case, I never have a screen protector, and then they're like, come, you could buy from us. And you know, in the stores it's way more expensive to buy the phone case and the screen protector, and they know people are not prepared, so they double the prices. They double the prices on the screen protectors. But for the first time, I'm so proud of myself. For the first time, I said, oh, I'm coming prepared. The only thing they're gonna catch me with is the charger, because when I did my research, the iPhone 15 charger, it's different. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna show you the process. I'm gonna give you details of everything, let you see everything that's new, that's different from the 12 Pro Max. But before I go inside, I'm about to open the package from Amazon where I got my iPhone case and screen protector to show you guys. Listen, I'm not playing with these people. I'm not about to go up in the store and spend 4 times the amount that I could spend on Amazon. Baby, no. Get somebody else to do it. As you can see here, I got my phone case, got my accessories ready. I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max case right here. It's the clear one. And I also got the screen protector, the privacy screen, the dark one. I've been using this company for a while with my 12 Pro Max, so I just went ahead and got the 15 from them. So let's go. So guys, unfortunately music is playing in here, so I can't really vlog, and I'm not getting the phone today because they have to order the size that I want. I wish they had like the vlogging in the Pro Max.
I know.
They should have done that.
I know.
That would have been so.
That's why I got that case, because I was like, man.
Yeah.
Because that's such a nice thing.
Like here on multi-top.
That's my favorite color.
Yeah, man, over here, man, they skip the color.
Up to 2-3 business days.
Oh, 2-3 business days? Okay.
You're doing the iPhone 15 from Marks and Spencer.
Right. Address? Yeah. Are they gonna like send anything to that? No. It's just for the billing, right?
Billing, yeah.
AKK squad, I just walked out the store, still in the parking lot. Basically what happened, I am getting a bigger size phone. I don't want the same size that I already have because I have a 256. I'm trying to get a 5. I'm trying to get double. So right here I have the 256 gigabytes, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I was gonna get the 1 terabyte, but that's way more money. I'm gonna get the 512 gigabyte. They don't have it in stock. She said no T-Mobile has it in stock. They only have the 256 in stock. So unfortunately guys, I did not leave with a phone. She ordered it. She said it will be coming in 2 to 3 business days, and I want to make sure I get that phone. I had to use my work address because I didn't want them to deliver it while I'm at work because a signature is needed. I'm gonna be at work, Ian is gonna be at work, and it's just the 2 of us. Dang. But it's all right. See, this is why I need to this is why I need to upgrade, guys. This is why I need to upgrade. This right here is why I need to upgrade. So like I was saying, I don't know if you can see me because of the sun, but basically I'm gonna have to wait 3 business days from now to get the phone. So I'll be back in 2 to 3 days from now. When I get the phone, I'll do the unboxing and everything. And inside the T-Mobile store there was music playing, and it was playing very loud. I couldn't do a lot of vlogging inside the stores, but the only good thing about this is I can do the unboxing at my house when the phone gets delivered. If the phone was here at the store, I would have done the unboxing here, and I would have to mute the background and just play music. So the good thing is I could do the unboxing at home, because I really wanted to do the whole transfer here and transfer over all my information from my iCloud from one phone to the next. I wanted to do all of that while here on my day off today, but not everything is gonna work out your way sometimes, you know. Not everything is gonna always go my way, and I understand that. So guys, I'll be back 2 to 3 business days. Wagwan KK squad, it's been 3 days later. I'm back. I finally got my phone shipped 3 days later. I went to the T-Mobile store Saturday. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, and I finally got my package. I'm so excited, and I'm ready to unbox this phone. I ripped the address off, don't mind, but it's finally here, guys. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I just got home from work, took a shower, ate, and ready to unbox. But anyways guys, let's get into the unboxing. Woo.
I'm not even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous.
Alright, KK squad, so you guys saw that mini unboxing. Now I'm setting up the phone. After you saw the hello, hola, and all those different languages, next it asks, where do you want to set up your phone? What region are you in? So I'm in the US, so I clicked that. Now it's asking me appearance. How do you want your appearance? Do you want default, which is just like tiny? Do you want medium, or do you want large? So default, medium, large, and I want medium. I'm looking at like the size, but why my 12 Pro Max look bigger though? So I'm trying to see like the difference, right? It's asking me if I wanna, why my handprint just sitting on it like, okay, now it came back. It's asking me if I want to set up on the other device. Yes, continue. So in the meantime, all of that is happening. Let me tell you. Oh, so now it's saying waiting for other phone. Hold your new phone up to the camera. Oh, listen. Hey, when I pursued me now. Set up new phone, use your Apple ID, set up for me. Yeah, set up. Oh, so let me enter my passcode. I'm so excited. It's like, don't forget your recording, Krissy. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. All right, so it's taking a few minutes to activate. While I'm recording, I'm just doing this at the same time because it's nighttime and I have work early in the morning. Transfer from another iPhone. This iPhone, set up later and set it. No, transfer. We're doing everything right now. This phone screen is a mess because earlier with the lotion on my hand messed it up. But what I noticed the difference between the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Do you notice at the top of the iPhone 12 Pro Max you see this thing right here? It like blocks off the screen. The iPhone 15 doesn't have that. It's so clean. Like, you don't have nothing blocking off the screen. The screen is just like clean. There's nothing there. There's no border. You don't see that on the 15. Cellular setup complete. Continue. It's just a walkthrough, right? It's not like anything major that you have to setting up my Face ID in the meantime. Like I'm saying, it's nothing major that no one can't do. It's literally walking you through the steps. It's easy. So I set up my Face ID, setting up your Apple ID, signing in, and then I'm still trying to figure out the size different because they're both Pro Maxes. I also want to use it to show you guys like the quality, because moving forward after this video I'm gonna be using my new phone, because right now I'm using my camera to vlog all of this in the cut with my twin. So I'm using my camera right now. I'm so excited to the point where I don't even know what to say to the camera. Moving forward, all my other videos are gonna be on my new iPhone 15. Like I explained earlier, this is 256 gigabytes, and I got me a 512 gigabytes double whammer. Double whammer. I doubled up, so now I should not have any issues with space, saving my videos to upload on YouTube, stressing about it because the space was killing you, girl, Yeah, that's the main reason why I got it. That's the main reason why I did this upgrade. Enjoy your new iPhone. It says enjoy your new iPhone. So everything is coming over here now, phone calls, everything. But guess what, I don't know about the charging part as yet, because it's not the regular cable. Like, it's not like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think this is a USB. So if I don't have none of those to charge it tonight before tomorrow, because I have to stop at the store tomorrow to purchase one, I'm gonna have to use my laptop to charge my phone. If I don't get to show you guys anything else, because it's taking its little time throughout using this phone, I'm definitely gonna be showing you guys and doing all the nice stuff, doing all the nice video with good quality. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.